Operation and logistic, loading and unloading. Loading and unloading of container is carried out using giant gantry cranes. You can describe this process including the importance of correct placement and security of container for the stability of the ship. Technology use. Container ships use advanced technology for navigation, communication, and cargo management. You can mention some specific examples, such as GPS systems, radar, and inventory control software. Impact and importance. International trade. Maritime transport in container has revolutionized international trade, allowing a more efficient and economical flow of goods. You can talk about the fundamental role the container ships play in the global economy. Environment. The shipping industry also has environmental impact. You can discuss measures being taken to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and protect the environment such as using cleaner fuels and implementing energy efficient practice.
Container ships are a used vessel designed to transport large quantities of cargo, containers across the oceans. Their capacity and size vary depending on the type of ship, but in general they can carry dozens of 20-foot or 40-foot containers. Some of the largest container ships in the world can have a capacity of over 20,000 TEU 20-foot equivalent units. These ships are impressive in size and logistical efficiency, playing a crucial role in international trade for transporting goods over long distances.
Historic container ship emerged in the 1950s, revolutionizing car transport by allowing the efficient transport of large quantities of goods in the standard container. This gradually represents the bulk loading and general loading system.
Design and structure container ship vary in size and capacity from a small container ship to ultra-large container ship that can transport more than 20,000 TEU 20-foot equivalent unity container. They are sensitive to large and unload container efficiently with cranes and specialist equipment in the ports.
Agreement governing a container ship, SOLAS, safety and life at sea. This international convention aims to ensure the safety of a ship and human life at sea. It includes regulation on ships, construction, life-saving equipment, and emergency products. MARPOL, marine pollution. A convention focused on preventing marine pollution from ships, covering oil spills, garbage, sewage, and air emission. STSW, standard of training, certifications, and watchkeeping for sailors. Establish minimum standard for the training, certification, and watchkeeping of sailors. Internationally, ensure that ship's crew are adequately trained. MLC, Marine Labor Convention, provides rights and protection to marine workers, covering working conditions, accommodation, food, medical care, and welfare on board. ESPS Code, International Ship and Port Facility Security Code, introduced as part of SOLAS. This code sets security measures to protect ships and port facilities against threats from terrorist acts and other security incidents. A container ship is a large boat designated to carry money, container filled with goods, These shifts are important for global trade because they can move a load or item efficiently across the ocean. Here are some simple points about container ships. Container ships are created through the lining a sophisticated process that involves several stages. Conceptual design. Engineer and naval architect design on the ship basis on the required capacity. Steel curing and hull assembly. Hand-grade steel in cut and shaped and welded together to form the new propulsion system.